So I finally stopped using gels on my drums and I'm using drops instead. They work differently and I'll show you how they work. So step one, get rid of all the gunk from your drum heads, then tune your drums. It's really important to have drums that are tuned with good heads. Drops come in 4 different weights and I'll show you how I apply them to the kit. I'm going to put a 120 gram on the snare to tighten it up. I'm going to put a 60 gram on this rack tom to shorten the decay. And I'm going to put a 200 gram on this floor tom to shape the tone. Unlike tape and gels, drops use gravity to create an active gate effect, and they let the drum's natural tone come through. Best part is, you get to take them with you and use them on any kit. You should try them.